Good morning, dear children. Children, in today class, we are going to learn estimated sum and estimated difference. Children, till now we studied how to do addition with carry and without carry over. Okay, and subtraction also. In subtraction also, with borrowing and without borrowing, we studied. But in today class, we are going to learn estimated sum. What is this estimated sum? First we'll see estimated sum. So children, you think today is your birthday is there? Okay. You want to give chocolates to your classmates. Now first what you will do? You will think how many students are there in your classroom. Okay. In your classroom there are 27 students are there. But if on any extra will come, any one new student will come, then for him also you want to give chocolate, no? Then what you will do? You will estimate that this 27 to 30 extra you will take. You will estimate this 27 to 30. Now this 27 can be rounded off to 30. This 27 can be rounded off to 30. And you want to give chocolates to your teachers also, no? Now what you will do? You will think number of teachers in your class, in your school there are 8 teachers are there. But if on any extra teacher will come, any new teacher will come, any other school teacher will come, for them also you should give, no? Then what you will do? You will estimate this 8 to 10. See, 8 can be rounded off 10. Now what we'll do? We'll add this both. Okay. Now we'll add this both. Total number of estimated students and teachers. Estimated teachers 30 and 10. So 30 plus 10 is equal to 40. This will call estimated sum. We'll call this estimated sum. This will call estimated sum. Now actual sum. Actual sum means we'll take same number. Okay. Number of students 27. That only we taken here. And number of teachers 8. 27 plus 8 is equal to 35. Now what we'll do? This 35 will estimate to 40. This 35 will tens place will rounded to tens place. Okay. So 35 can be rounded off 40. This will call estimated sum. This will call estimated sum. Okay. Now see here in your math textbook page number 124 indicate the estimated value. See here they given number 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. If there are number of students will be or a number of fruits, will think you will go to buy a fruits. You will go to shop to buy a grapes. Now what you will do? You don't know, no? In one group there are how many grapes are there. If there are 32 grapes are there. If there are 30 in one bunch, there are 32 grapes are there. You want to estimate that. You will estimate to which number? That you will estimate to 30. You will estimate to, you will make tens place. You want to make tens place, then you will take 30. Because if that grapes are below than 35, you should be estimate to 30. If there are below than 35, you should be round off to 30. If the grapes are more than 35, you should round it up to 40. Okay. See here, observe the above number line. Estimate 32 to tens place. This 32 will make to tens place. So here, how many tens are there? 30 and 40. we should estimate this 2 number for. So 32 will estimate to nearer. So 32 nearest to 40 or 30. 32 is nearest of 40 or 30? Yes, 32 is nearest of 30. So what you will do? So we'll may estimate to this 32 to 30. This 32 is far away from 40. This 32 is far away from 40. So this 32 is estimated to this 30. Okay. If that number is 37. If that number is 37. So 37 is nearest to 40. And this 37 far away to 30. So you will estimate this 37 to 40. Okay. This will call estimated. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟೆಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಗೆ ಇದನ್ನು ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ 32 ನಂಬರನ್ನು ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾದರೆ 32 ಯಾವ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 32 30ಗೆ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ 40ಗೆ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇದು 32 30ಗೆ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ ನಾವು ಈ 32ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, 30ಗೆ ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ನಮಗೇನಾದರೂ 37 ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಈ 37 40 ನಿಯರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ಲ 30ಗೆ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ? ಎಸ್, 37 40ಗೆ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇದನ್ನು 40ಗೆ ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ 5 ಅಥವಾ 5ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ 0 ಇದು ಮಾಡಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 35 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, 35ಇಂದ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರೋ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು 30ಗೆ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. 35ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರೋ ನಂಬರನ್ನು 40ಗೆ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು 75ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುವ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು 70ಗೆ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. 75 ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುವ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು 80ಗೆ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟೆಡ್. See here, if the unit of a 2-digit is 5 or more than 5, estimate to 10th digit to the next 10th place. See here, unit of a 2 digit is 5 or more than 5. See here, number that will be 5 or more than 5, that we will estimate that next 10th number, next 10th digit number. See here they given, if 45 they given, we will estimate that 45 to 50. This 40, if there they give 44, that 44 we will estimate to 40 because more than below than 45. So here if that number is 45 or more than 45, we'll estimate that 50. Okay. See here 86 they given, it's a more than 85. So we'll estimate that 90. If they give 84, 83, 82, we'll estimate that number to 80. Okay. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ನಂಬರನ್ನು 5 ಅಥವಾ 5ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿದ್ರೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವ, ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ವ. ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ 5 ಅಥವಾ 5ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 10th ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಗೆ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದೇ 5ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇರುವ 10th ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಗೆ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಗೆ 58 ಇದೆ, 58 60ಗೆ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು 55 ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ, ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು 60ಗೆ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ಈ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ನಮಗೆ 54, 53 ಅಥವಾ 52, 51 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು 50ಗೆ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಇಫ್ ದ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ a digit is less than 5, the number is estimated to nearest previous 10th place. if that unit side number this is tens, this is unit. This unit side number less than 5 will estimate to nearest previous number. Nearest previous number. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದಟ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಾದರೂ 5ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಇರುವ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಗೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಗೆ 44, ಇದು 5ಕ್ಕಿಂತ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಿದೆ 5ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ, ಆದರೆ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ 40ಗೆ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಅಥವಾ 5ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು 50ಗೆ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಸಿ ಎ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 83, ದಿಸ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 5. ದಿಸ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಈಸ್ less than 5, so we'll estimate that number to 80. If that unit side number is 5 or more than 5, we'll estimate that number to 90. This will call estimate. See, estimate the value to the nearest tens place. See, here 21 is there. See here, in unit side it's less than 5, so we'll estimate that the previous number 21 nearest to 20, so we'll write this 20. Okay, see here 36, this 36, this unit side number is more than 5, so we'll estimate to this to 40. If that less than 5, we'll estimate that number to 30. Okay, see here 44, it's less than 5, so we'll estimate this to 40. See here 51 is less than 5. See, this unit side number is 1 is less than 5, so we'll estimate this number to 50. Like that also same here. 75 this is 5. So if that 5 are more than 5, we'll estimate next tens place. So next tens place is 80. So we'll estimate to 80. See here 67 is there. This 7 is more than 5. So we'll estimate this next tens place. So next tens place 70. See here 82. 82 it's a less than 5. So we'll make this 80. See here 23. 3 also less than 5. So we'll take previous tens place. Previous tens place means 20. Okay, you understood the children? This is now estimated sum. Estimated see here 36 plus 51. This 36 we should make estimate to tens place. So it's more than, this unit side number is more than 5. So what we'll do, we'll estimate next tens place. So next tens place after 36, which is tens place, that is 40. So we'll estimate to 40. Here 51 is there. This one is less than 5. So what we'll do, we'll estimate previous tens place. So previous tens place means 50. So we'll estimate to 50. This both will add. Okay, this will call estimate sum. See here exercise. Find the estimated sum in the following. One example also they given here. 28 plus 32. This 28, this unit side number is more than 5. So we estimated this to 30. This 32 is less than 5. This unit side number 2 is less than 5. So what we'll do, we'll estimate to 30. So 30 plus 30 is equal to 60. Okay. Now we'll do this next problem. See, next they given here 41 plus 36. 41 plus 36. 41 plus 36 will firstly we'll estimate this number. See, this unit side number is less than 5, so we'll estimate it to 40. Okay, 40. This is 36. 36 is more than 5, so we'll estimate this to 40. So 40 plus 40, 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 4 is equal to 80. This will call estimated sum. Children, you understood now this? This is for your homework. You try to do these problems. Okay. If you will not get in next class, again I'll explain you. Okay. Thank you, children.